Do you like toogbei, BOFROT, which is known as puff puff in Nigeria? Have you made one before? Or is it because you think it's not easy? Oh, then this video is for you, because this recipe is the easiest way you can make your puff puff. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. I have with me here my 1.5 cups of whole milk. I'll go ahead and add a tablespoon of yeast. After adding the yeast, I will add my sugar. The measurement of the sugar is 2 tablespoons of sugar. I will mix it very well. If today is the first time here, hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and you are welcome to my page and to my channel. So I'm mixing this well. Then after that, I will just cover it and put it in a warm place for 10 minutes to see if the yeast is active. Thank you very much to my returning ones, yes, for always coming to watch me. I do appreciate it. Okay, so we are just going to put this in a warm place. If you have watched me till this point and you haven't subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Can you please smash on the red button for me and the bell icon, so that when we upload new videos you will get notifications. So it is actually free. And if you are watching me from Facebook, please follow for me. It is also free. And if you are not yet following me on Facebook, can you please follow me on Facebook at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Selassie, what's the Yamenka and the Maka? This my sister-in-law can disturb me. So I've added my 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, then a tablespoon of banana extract, a tablespoon of nutmeg extract, 1/4 cup of heavy cream. You can omit it, okay, and use maybe milk instead. Okay, so I will mix it very well till I get the texture that I want. Thank you very much. I am very sure that after watching this video, even if you don't like puff puff, you are just going to fall in love with puff puff, because this is so simple to make and it was so delicious. I will just add my 3 tablespoons of butter and I melted it. Okay, you can use margarine if you want to. So I'll mix it again. As I was saying, this was so nice and so delicious. What I like about it is that the sugar wasn't too much. That is what I like about it. So it was so nice, and we finished all at once. Yes, it was so nice. So as you can see, this is the texture that I want. I realized that the bowl that I'm using is small, and when we put it at one place to double in size, we are just going to get some wahala. So I decided to pour it in a bigger bowl so that when it double in size, it will not pour on the floor. So I'll be pouring it in a bigger bowl. Thank you very much for your understanding. So when mixing yours, mix it in a bigger bowl, okay? Yes. So this is how I want it. You can see how stretchy it is. Yes. So now let's pour it in a bigger bowl, cover it, put it in a warm place for an hour for it to double in size. Thank you very much for being with me once again, and I do appreciate it. Please, if you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe for me for more videos. It is free, as I said earlier. And if you are watching me from Facebook, Wezo Akwaba, welcome. Can you please follow for me for more videos? Thank you. So let's put it at one place, and after 1 hour, this is how it is looking. So perfect. It was actually bigger than this, but I left it here whilst I was doing something. and it went down again. So you can see that. Yes, I'm just going to show you how we are going to drop this, and we are going to do it slow so that you can get it. Okay, so you scoop some like this and you drop it between your two fingers. So let's make it just like this. I say just like this. Yes. So we are just going to try it once again for you to get it. I know you are smart and you are going to get it. So I fried the first one for Joy to send to work, but so that I can proceed. And the first one I couldn't record because it takes a lot of time when you are recording, and I was running late. So that is the second one we are frying, and you can see how I'm dropping it. So simple like that. Already BOFROT or puff puff is looking so beautiful. Don't let the fire be too high. It shouldn't be low as well, too low as well. Okay, yes, because if it is high, it is going to burn, and if it's too low, it is going to take a lot of the oil. Okay, yes, so we don't want that. And BOFROT is ready. Put it on the paper towel to rest and to drain the excess oil. Yes, so that is what I'm doing. Someone is buying 4 salads, so I'm serving the person. That is just by the way. I'm just going to open this for you to see how beautiful this is. So beautiful. Oh my god. I just love it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.